In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Mailchimp contacts efficiently and securely. Managing your contact list is a crucial aspect of maintaining a healthy and engaged audience for your email marketing campaigns. Whether it's because a contact has requested removal or you're cleaning up inactive subscribers, deleting contacts in Mailchimp is a process you'll want to be familiar with. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Mailchimp login page. Here you'll be prompted to enter your username or email address. It's important to remember which one you used when you created your account, because using the correct identifier will streamline your login process. After entering your username or email, the next step is to input your password. Passwords are case sensitive, so make sure you're entering it exactly as you set it up, considering any special characters, numbers, or capital letters that might be included. Once your credentials are in, go ahead and click the login button. Assuming everything was entered correctly, you should now land on the Mailchimp dashboard, or as they call it, the home page. This is where all your Mailchimp activity begins, from creating campaigns to managing your audience and analyzing reports. Now let's focus on your goal, deleting contacts. On the Mailchimp dashboard, look for the audience option in the menu. This section is where Mailchimp consolidates everything related to your subscribers, including adding new ones, managing existing ones, and segmenting your lists for tailored messaging. Click on Audience, and when the submenu appears, select All Contacts. This will take you to a page listing all the individuals who've subscribed to your campaigns at some point. Here you can see various details about your contacts, such as their email address, their subscription status, and the last time they engaged with one of your campaigns. Find the contact or contacts you wish to delete on this list. You might need to utilize Mailchimp's search and filter options if you have a large audience. These tools can help you narrow down your contacts based on specific criteria, making it easier to find who you're looking for. Once you've located the contacts you need to remove, click on the checkbox next to their name or email address to select them. Be very deliberate in your selection to avoid accidentally deleting someone who should remain on your list. After selecting the contact, look for the 3 dots icon, which indicates the Actions or Options menu. Clicking this icon brings up a small menu with a few choices, including the one we're interested in. Delete. Select Delete, and Mailchimp will prompt you with a confirmation message. This step is your last line of defense against accidental deletions, so pay attention to it. Mailchimp might ask you to confirm that you understand deleting a contact permanently removes them and all their data from your audience. This action cannot be undone, so make sure you are absolutely certain before proceeding. After confirming, Mailchimp will process your request, and the contact will be removed from your list. It's a simple but powerful action that helps keep your audience database clean and compliant with any requests for removal. A couple of additional tips to consider. Regularly clean your list to maintain a high engagement rate and ensure you're not paying for subscribers who are no longer interested in your content. Also, be aware of Mailchimp's archiving feature, which allows you to remove contacts from your active list without deleting their data entirely, providing a less permanent option than deletion. That wraps up the process of deleting contacts in Mailchimp. Keeping your list up to date by removing unengaged or unwanted subscribers can help improve the effectiveness of your email marketing efforts. It ensures your messages are reaching those genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Thank you for watching, and take the time to clean your list respectfully and responsibly.